Hi guys, karibuni tena katika channel yangu, na kwa jina naitwa Aika Mrema as usual. The usual Aika, you know. So, leo nataka nifanye a review of this mask. Inaitwa Gold Mask, and my skin recently is bad. So, nataka nifanye review ya hii mask. Nasikia ni nzuri, I don't know. I want to try it now. And yeah, Gold Mask. So kwenye maelekezo tunasema okay, let's put some music first. Muziki kwanza, then we will record a video because we want to have some fun. We want to relax. Some piano. Okay, so ukifungua ndani inakuwa hivi. Na kwa maelekezo inasema kwanza inabidi uoshe uso wako. Ukishaosha uso ndio uapply hii mask, na ukisha kuja kuiremove sio lazima uoshe tena uso wako. So unaweza ukaosha uso kabla ya apply mask, then ukisha kuja remove unaitoa tu kama kawaida. So ni easy thing to do. Na mimi nishaosha uso wangu, then naenda apply to e mask. Right, let's do some work. Mbona ndoka maji? Oh. Hi guys, so as you can see, oh my goodness, sasa hivi ni dakika kama 40 na nataka tu nibandue. Oh my goodness, I don't know where to start. Okay, here we go. Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh. Mm. Oh. Mm. Mm. Oh God, help me, help me. Ah. Oh. Mm. Asasa hizi sehemu zilikuwa zina oh. Oh. Guys, hii nani ni nzuri sana. Kama unaangalia video zangu mshaona nimewahi kutumia ile nyeusi. Ile mask nyeusi ni nzuri, lakini this is so cute. Woo! Yaani naona kabisa uso wangu unabaki mzuri. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. The gold. Woo, nywele. Oh my goodness. So guys, nimetoka kunawa tena uso. And let's see my face. How do I look? So the results is good. I recommend this. If you want a mask, just take this mask. It's very nice. It's cheap. Ni kama 9,000. So it's cheap and very nice. Kutoa yale mafuta ya umu. It's so beautiful. And nowadays I want to care about myself. I want to care about my skin. I want to care about my healthy. I want to care about everything about me. So my son is growing up nowadays, so I can go back and take care of myself. I'm praying. I don't know if I can do it, but I'm praying because, you know, nimejizila for a very long time. So I want to go back to me time. I want me time right now. I want to take care of myself. Okay? Yes. I pray for that, and I know I will. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, to comment down below, to subscribe if you didn't subscribe. You know, here we are. I love myself. So the next video I'll do, I'm going to put my hair into a style, and I will show you the style. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you on my next video. Ciao, bye. I miss YouTube so much.